Hi, welcome to another junior geometry video. For this and the next two videos, we're going to chat about angles and polygons. Now, in the last couple of videos, we've been chatting about four-sided shapes, polygons called quadrilaterals. We know that the four angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. But what about five-sided shapes, whether it's irregular or regular? And what about shapes that have a lot more than 4 or 5 sides? Is there a rule that will help us determine what all those interior angles will add up to? Yes, there is. And here it is here. Sn is equal to, inside brackets, n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Now, Sn represents the sum. Sum means to add up all those interior angles. So we're adding up all the angles in the inside of a polygon, and n represents how many sides that does the polygon have. All right, let's show you with a couple of examples. Calculate the sum of all the interior angles in an irregular hexagon. So here we have a six-sided irregular shape, funny looking shape, and I've indicated all 6 angles on the inside. You can see a couple of them are right angles, but we're going to work out what all those 6 angles add up to. Here's the rule. Sn is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So because it's 6 sides, we're going to go S of 6 is equal to 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 6 minus 2 is 4, so we're left with 4 times 180 degrees, and 4 times 180 gives us 720. So the sum of all the 6 interior angles will be 720 degrees. So what does that mean? If I added up all these 6 angles, I would get 720 degrees. All right, number 2, let's calculate the missing angle in this polygon. Well, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so it's an irregular pentagon. So let's use the rule to work out what those 5 angles should add up to. So S of n is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So it's 5-sided, so S of 5 is equal to brackets 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now 5 minus 2 is 3, so we've got 3 times 180. 3 times 180 gives us 540. So the sum of all 5 angles gives us 540 degrees. So all these 5 angles will add up to 540 degrees. So how do I work out that missing angle up the top there? Nice, easy. I grab my calculator, just go 540. I take away the 53. I take away the 217. I take away the other 53. I take away the 99. I'm left with the angle left over, which is 118 degrees. Right, last example, example 3. What do all interior inside angles in an 11-gon? Now, 11-gon is just a short way to say an 11-sided polygon. So what do all those interior angles in an 11-gon add up to? Well, that's easy. We're going to use the rule once more. So S of n is equal to, in brackets, n minus 2 times 180 degrees. We're talking about an 11-sided shape. So S of 11 is equal to 11 minus 2 times 180. 11 minus 2 is 9. 9 times 180. Grab your calculator. 9 times 180 gives us 1,620 degrees. Now, on the calculator, you might be able to do it really quickly by going like this. Go on the calculator, bracket 11, subtract 2, close brackets, times 180, and the calculator does all the bed maths for you to give you 1620. So, if I drew any 11-sided shape, all those inside angles would add up to 1,620 degrees. All right, well, that's us for this first video in the little series of angles and polygons. So thank you so much for watching.